Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy, flavorful and colorful pasta salad. For this recipe, I'm boiling up 12 ounces of tricolor rotini pasta, and I'm just going to boil it according to the package instructions, and be sure to salt your water to boil the pasta. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Okay, now that my pasta is cooked, I'm going to drain out the water, and then I'm going to run some cold water over it to stop the cooking and to cool it off. Okay, to a big bowl, I'm going to add my pasta, 1 whole cucumber that I cut up, 10 ounces of cherry tomatoes that I cut in half of a red onion that I diced, half of a chopped orange bell pepper, half of a chopped yellow bell pepper, 8 ounces of cubed mozzarella cheese, and all I did was got a block of cheese and cube it myself. I'm also adding a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley and 1 cup of Italian dressing, and this is just store-bought. Carefully mix everything together. A good tip when doing this is to put it in a bowl that has a lid, so it's easier to store in the refrigerator like that. The very last thing I'm adding is 6 ounces of grated Parmesan cheese. Now I have a little secret to tell you, or you can look at it as a tip. Either way you want to take it, that's up to you. But I didn't have the correct Parmesan cheese. I just had some shredded cheese in a bag. So I went ahead and put it in my food processor and grated it. So now it looks like I bought freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And I know that can be expensive just to buy the grated one. So I decided that, you know what, I'm just gonna make my own. I don't know if it's the same, but you know what, it tastes the same. As they say, necessity is a matter of invention, and here I am with my cheese. Don't tell me nothing. I wasn't supposed to eat it yet, but I wanted to taste it on camera. But what you're going to do before you serve it is cover it and let it chill at least an hour before you serve it, just so all the flavors could blend together. There's no way you can go wrong with this. It's just so colorful and refreshing with all the crisp vegetables in there. It's just so good. And my very last secret, or this is a confession now. Oh my goodness, juicy. I have to say, and I know this is breaking all the rules, but I always put mine in the microwave just so the cheese could melt a little bit. I don't always like cold food. I like to heat it up, so I heat it up and leave it. So please don't tell me nothing again. I don't want to hear it. Just let me enjoy it this way. But of course, don't listen to me. Just do what you want.